Hey, what's up everybody, Kid Android here, and right now in this video I'm going to unbox a beast from Samsung called Samsung Galaxy C8. And guys, it's a third phone from Samsung having dual cameras on the back side. Of course, the number one is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. On the number two we have the J series model, I don't know its name, and on the third we have the Samsung Galaxy C8. So I'm very much excited to unbox it. Let's quickly look at the box. It's in a gold color, and here is its model number. You can see that CMC7100 is 32 gigs of variant, and also here is its RAM. It has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's quickly unbox the phone. So guys, let's unbox it. So guys, here is the phone. Wow, it looks stunning. Guys, look at that. Look at the beauty of this phone. Here is dual cameras, the model number, and here is the front screen. Let's peel this plastic off. So guys, here is the phone. Let's quickly boot this up, and it's booting up. And let's look at the box, what accessories we are getting in this box. Here you can see that some paperworks of Samsung. I think this will be in Chinese. Yeah guys, it's in Chinese, and the SIM ejecting tool. Let's keep them in a side, and here is some IMEI numbers, I think. Yes. And what is this? A sticker from Samsung. And let's quickly look at other accessories. So guys, here are some accessories. We have a fast adapter, typical Samsung fast adapter, and I think it's post type C cable. No, it has a micro USB cable. Yeah guys, it's port micro USB cable, not type C. And a pair of headphones. Let's keep them in a side and have a look to the device. So guys, here is the phone itself. It is a 5.5-inch AMOLED display, 3 gigs of RAM in this phone, and 32 gigs of internal storage. And let's jump into the settings and have a look to the Android version, which Android version is running into this phone, and the software information. And guys, 7.1.1 Nougat. Yeah guys, this phone comes with 7.1 Nougat, and it will get Android Oreo soon. Yeah guys, Samsung is working on it, and it will get a official update of Oreo soon. So guys, on the right side we have a simple stereo speaker plus a lock screen button, and on the left side we have volume rockers plus a SIM tray, and on the bottom side we have an Android port and a 3.5mm audio jack and a microphone. So guys, moving on to the cameras, we have a front 16 megapixel snapper with a flashlight, and on the back side we have dual cameras, in which one is 13 megapixel and the second one is 5 megapixel. The 13 megapixel camera has f1.7 aperture, and the 5 megapixel camera has f1.9 aperture. And here are some camera samples which are taken from the Samsung Galaxy C8's camera. So guys, at the end, let's quickly check out is finger scanner speed, and here is screen lock type. And also guys, the impressive thing is that it also supports face unlocking. Yeah guys, I will check it later. Let's quickly register our finger. So guys, I just completed the setup, and you don't need to actually press this button. You just need to place your finger on it. So here you can see that 1 2 3, boom. Guys, believe me, the fingerprint scanner speed is actually very impressive. Here you can see that. Wow, It's very impressive. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and please let me know your thoughts about this smartphone in comment section below, and let me know what kind of videos do you want to see about this smartphone. So I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.